What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to build a super easy DIY firewood rack for storage. If you guys are new to my channel, please do me a favor, click the subscribe and notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to this one. Okay, so I just drew a basic design plan. This is going to be the basic shape, just 4 posts sticking up, and then we're going to do a piece that goes around the outer edge of those posts. And these are my measurements. You can do whatever you want. I've got all these treated 4x4s. I suggest using those because these are going to be setting directly on the ground. It'll hold up a lot better. We'll just use our speed square since we can't get it in one cut. We'll just mark all the way around it. And then for the frame around the bottom, I'm going to use 2x4s, and that's just going to be 2 pieces the width that you want it and 2 pieces the depth that you want it. I'm going to do about 44 by around 16 deep. Alright, we've got all our pieces now. It's just time to start screwing it together. So we'll go ahead and lay 2 of our posts down. And we're going to lie that rail across the bottom. And from the bottom of the floor, we're going to have it up 3.5 inches, just the size of the width of a 2x4. And overhanging each side is going to be 1.5 inches. You'll see why in a minute. So we'll just use this as a spacer. I'll use my big speed square to try and get everything squared up. A pre-drill. Then we're going to sink some 3-inch screws in. We're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Alright, so now we've got 2 sides like this. Bring the other one over here. So the 2x4 goes on the outside edge on both sides. And then those 2 shorter pieces we cut, those are going to go on the sides. That's why we overhung each side 1.5 inches. Making sure that you don't drill into where you drilled on the face of the screws so you don't run into the other screws. Okay, so here's the basic shape. Now theoretically you could just leave it how it is, maybe put a support in between in the middle, but as long as your firewood was the right length, it would just stack like this all the way up. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some decking planks down on here because I have some old fence boards, plus that'll keep any smaller wood from falling down if I want to put kindling on one side. So going with the theme, I'm just going to use old fence pickets for that decking, and I'm going to cut them 1 inch extra than the width. That way we'll have a little overhang in the front. Right down to the recycled screws. Alright, that's looking pretty good, but I think I'm going to add a couple supports here and across the back. Leave the front open. I think I might make a little removable roof that I can take on and off. Maybe I can put some potted plants on top of. I'll just screw these boards across underneath to hold it together. Alright, then we can go ahead and rest the top right on top. So I'm gonna give all the sharp edges a nice little sanding too. Alright, and there it is, all full of wood. Turned out pretty good. Nice little easy project. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those down below and I'll get back to you. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care. Shoo.